Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video on my new project, and I've been waiting a long time for this, so here it is. You might have seen this from my other video of me working at work. This is an 86 Comanche. I just picked it up. It needs a lot of body work. It runs great. It has a 4-speed AX4. It's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, unfortunately. Much would have rather had a 6, but gotta get what you can get. It's a long box. It has a 7-foot bed. Most of the important stuff is there. The tail lights, tailgate, and the cab corners are pretty solid. So it's gonna need a ton of body work. I'm probably just gonna rattle can it. Probably something like this black. I gotta get new doors for it. The interior is shot. The floor pans are shot. It's gonna need floors and interior. I don't like this blue interior. I'm probably gonna put a gray one in from a Cherokee. But the headliner's there, the backer board. It's got the sliding rear window, which I'm pretty happy about. The engine runs really good. It's actually really quiet, so I'm actually going to start to do this. I mean, I really don't care too much about the bed. I'll probably pick up a new bed for it when one comes along. So for now, I'm just going to do a Bondo job and paint the truck up. It's going to need new doors. The doors are rotted, but all the important parts are there, so everything else can be replaced. So I'll probably do a little bit of work on this. I'm going to get the nose stripped off it today, the fenders, and the grill, and probably the tailgate, so I can bring those home with me this week and start painting them up. And then we'll go from there and see how it goes.